Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Here's how to use a Chemex to make the perfect cup of coffee. This is our Chemex. You can tell it is very well used. We use this every single day, at least twice a day, to make really amazing coffee. Now it looks beautiful and this coffee tastes amazing. We will show you all of our secrets to making the perfect cup of coffee. To make 2 cups of coffee, weigh out 34 grams of coffee beans. If you want the perfect cup of coffee, you've got to grind your own beans. Now we use this burr grinder. It has a very consistent grind. When we make Chemex coffee, we're looking for medium coarse grind on those beans. All right, we've got our filtered water heated up to 205 degrees. If you're doing this in a kettle on the stove and it comes to a boil, just make sure to let it sit for a few minutes so it doesn't scald the coffee. When you open up your Chemex filter, just make sure the side with 3 layers of paper is towards the spout. You can pinch the bottom so it opens. Then pour in some of your warm water to wet the filter. This gets rid of any papery taste. You can just discard that water. Now make sure that that filter is snug against the glass of the Chemex. Add your ground coffee. Give it a little shake to even out the top, and then tare your scale. All right, we're ready to add the water. The scale reads at 0. We're gonna add 70 grams of water just to get the coffee grounds wet. And then you'll just wait for 1 minute. This is called letting the coffee bloom so that all the grounds get wet. All right, pro tip, sometimes a scale might time out during this 1 minute wait time, so stay engaged. You might need to tap your scale just to make sure it stays alive. Okay, now here's where we add all of the water. We're gonna add up to 520 grams and we'll start in the center, just pouring slowly in concentric circles. Make sure you don't touch the filter with your water. On this first pour, you'll go up to about 400 grams because that's all that will fit in the Chemex. All right. We'll wait for the water level to lower and then we'll add up to the 520 grams. After it lowers a bit, you can pour in the rest of the water. From here, it's just a waiting game for all that water to drain through the coffee. And now if you want to make more coffee than just 2 cups, you can use more. All you have to do is remember our magic formula. It is 1 gram of coffee to 15 to 16 grams of water. So you'll just have to play with it and figure out what your taste is. And that is it, a perfect cup of coffee in the Chemex. You'll notice it takes a few minutes, but those minutes are absolutely worth it. If you have a question about anything we've done here, our gear, our ratios, let us know in the comments below.